Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kendra. That makes you a bunny. That makes us Kendra and the Bunnies. Today we are in the kitchen. We're trying out some cool accessories and equipment for cutting, for slicing, for cooking. I am actually restarting my vegan vegetarian journey, so stay tuned on how that goes, but this is going to be excellent in the kitchen because I'm going to be cooking quite a bit. This is a two-piece kitchen set by Ibeike. My apologies if I'm mispronouncing it, but it's spelled like this. It's available on Amazon, that's where I purchased it. And it looks like they really go for quality as well as good materials. This is made from all stainless steel. So, oh, and it's from Osaka, Japan. Let's open it up. Gift set, and look how it opens like this. So gorgeous. So today we have our 8-inch chef knife and our kitchen shears. I'm so excited because I need both of these for my kitchen. Wow! These are amazing. There's also a 60-year warranty included. Just look at this. I can practically see my reflection in there. Look at this. Look at this. I'm going to show you, I'm going to demonstrate a little bit on how to cut with this too. Kitchen shears. They also can help with twisting off the top of caps like this. Be careful though. And these can help crack nutshells and walnuts. I've finished cooking my items for dinner, cooking the soup, creating the sauces, whatever it is. It's so nice to be able to just snip some of these herbs right on the top instead of having to get a whole knife dirty, although you can cut it with this beautiful knife too. So let me show you. This is really great for like ramen dishes. Cut like that. You can just hold it above the sauce, above the food, and clip like that. So you don't need to worry about getting out a whole cutting board for this part. And make sure you use your kitchen shears just for cooking. That will help keep them sanitary. So look how sharp these are. This would be perfect for chives. It's really good for herbs. Additionally, you can cut herbs with this. It's sharp enough to cut herbs. It's big enough to keep your tracking while you're cutting the herbs. And it's thick enough that you can cut multiple herbs at one time. So let's do this example. You can cut multiple herbs at one time. And it slices them perfectly. You can just do, look how nicely that shaves. It's amazing. Look how nicely that cuts. So easy. Peace.